Ever wished you could spark a conversation so deep and engaging that it lingers in her mind long after it's over? Let's uncover the secret to doing just that with 6 powerful questions. We've all been there, stuck in a conversation that feels awkward, forced, or just plain dull. You want to connect on a deeper level, but the right words don't come out, and before you know it, the moment slips away. Sound familiar? Well, here's the good news. It's not your fault. Most people never learn how to ask the kinds of questions that inspire meaningful, memorable conversations. But that's about to change. In this video, we're giving you 6 intelligent, thought-provoking questions that will instantly set you apart. These aren't your average "what's your favorite color" questions. These are designed to show her you're curious, thoughtful, and genuinely worth knowing. Think about it. How often do we get the chance to truly impress someone just by asking the right question? This is your opportunity to create a moment so meaningful that she'll think about it long after the conversation ends. And trust me, once you master these questions, connecting with her on a deeper level will feel effortless and natural. Welcome to the Stoic Route, your go-to channel for real, relatable advice on building deeper connections and mastering the art of self-improvement. Let's dive in. Number 1. What's your story? It's such a simple question, but it carries so much meaning. When you ask her this, you're not just making small talk, you're inviting her to open up about what truly matters to her. Most conversations stick to predictable questions like, "What do you do for work?" or "Where are you from?" While those are fine, they don't inspire deeper connections. By asking, "What's your story?" you're giving her the freedom to share her journey in her own words. When you ask this question, make sure you're fully present. Listen carefully, not just to her words, but to the emotions and tone behind them. This is about building trust and showing genuine interest in her as a person. One of my friends once asked this question on a first date, and it led to a heartfelt conversation about her journey from working a corporate job to starting her own business. That simple question created a bond they still cherish today. Number 2. What's something you're passionate about that most people don't know? This question is a game changer because it's unexpected and takes the conversation beyond the surface. It shows her you're interested in the unique aspects of her life that she might not often share. Passion is contagious. When she talks about something she truly loves, her eyes will light up, her energy will shift, and that excitement will be associated with you. For instance, imagine she reveals she's passionate about photography, but rarely shares her work with others. This opens up a chance to explore her dreams, vulnerabilities, and motivations, a connection far deeper than small talk could ever create. A friend of mine once asked this question, and the woman shared her love for gardening. She explained how it helps her disconnect from stress and feel more grounded. That one conversation became the foundation of a strong, meaningful bond. Number 3. What's one thing on your bucket list? On the surface, this might seem like a light-hearted question, but it's actually a doorway to understanding her dreams, values, and sense of adventure. When someone talks about what they want to experience in their lifetime, they're revealing what truly excites them. For example, if she mentions wanting to see the Northern Lights, you'll learn about her love for travel and nature. I once heard about a guy who asked this question on a first date, and the woman shared her dream of learning how to surf. He joked about taking her to the beach next summer, and that playful moment created a connection they still remember. Number 4. What's a lesson you've learned the hard way? This question might seem heavy, but it's one of the most meaningful you can ask. It invites her to reflect on a pivotal moment that shaped who she is today. When you ask this, don't rush her answer. Give her space to think. Her response might be about overcoming a challenge, letting go of something that wasn't serving her, or discovering her inner strength. One of my friends once asked this question, and the woman opened up about how she rebuilt her life after a failed business venture. That moment of honesty deepened their connection and created a level of trust that made their relationship stronger from the start. The key here is to listen without judgment. Don't offer advice unless she asks for it. Sometimes, just being present is all that's needed to show her you're someone she can rely on. Number 5. What's one thing you've always wanted to learn? This isn't just a question about hobbies or skills, it's about dreams and growth. When you ask it, you're showing her that you care about who she is and who she wants to become. For example, she might mention wanting to learn a new language, play an instrument, or even try rock climbing. These answers reveal what excites her and where her passions lie. A guy I know asked this question on a date, and the woman shared her dream of trying pottery. He suggested they take a class together, and that shared experience became one of their favorite memories. When you ask this, show genuine curiosity. Follow up with questions that encourage her to share more about her dreams and aspirations. Number 6. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? This question is both fun and revealing. Her answer will give you insight into her personality, values, and ideal lifestyle. For instance, if she says she'd love to live in Paris, it might reveal her romantic and adventurous side. If she dreams of a quiet cabin in the mountains, it could reflect her love for solitude and nature. When you ask this, don't just stop at her answer. Dig deeper. Ask her why she chose that place and what excites her about it. This creates a natural, engaging flow to the conversation. Bonus question: what's something you've done recently that you're proud of? This is a great way to end the conversation on a positive note. It gives her a chance to reflect on her achievements and feel appreciated. Maybe she's proud of finishing a tough project at work or hitting a personal milestone. Whatever it is, celebrate it with her. Say something like, "That's amazing. How did you make it happen?" This will leave her feeling valued and seen. Start using these questions today, and you'll notice how much deeper and more meaningful your conversations become. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the Stoic Route for more real and inspiring advice. Let us know in the comments, which question are you excited to try first? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.